Hours after hundreds of President Donald Trump supporters stormed the US Capitol in a harrowing assault on American democracy, a shaken Congress on Thursday formally certified Democrat Joe Biden's election victory. Immediately after the certification, the White House released a statement from Trump in which he pledged an orderly transition on January 20 when Biden will be sworn into the office. Congress had resumed its work certifying Biden's Electoral College win late on Wednesday after the chaotic scenes on Capitol Hill, with debate stretching into the early hours of Thursday. After debate, the Senate and House of Representatives rejected two objections to the tally and certified the final Electoral College vote, with Biden receiving 306 votes and Trump receiving 232 votes. A National Commission for Women member who met the family of the 50-year-old Anganwadi worker who was gang raped and murdered allegedly by a temple priest and two others in Badaयूं district on January 3rd, said that the incident may not have happened had the woman not ventured out alone in the evening. NCW member Chandramukhi Devi was part of the two-member team sent by the panel to meet the victim's family. The team also visited the crime site. Devi said a woman should not go out at odd hours under the influence of somebody. I think if she had not gone out in the evening or had some family member along with her, this could have been prevented. Exam for admission to the Indian Institute of Technology for academic session 2021 will take place on July 3rd, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced. He will also declare the dates for joint entrance examination Advanced 2021 shortly. Earlier, the Education Minister had announced that JEE mains exams for admission to engineering colleges will be held 4 times a year starting 2021 to offer flexibility to students. The first edition of the exams will be held from February 23rd to 26, followed by rounds in March, April and May. The minister added that the exams are being conducted in 13 languages for the first time. The Supreme Court today asked the central government whether the thousands of farmers camped in and around Delhi in protest over the past many weeks are protected from COVID-19. The court sought to liken the situation to the one involving Tablighi Jamaat congregation in the capital last year that went on to become one of India's biggest clusters of coronavirus cases. Do not know whether farmers are protected from COVID. Have you learned from your experience what happened, referring to the Tablighi congregation? The same problem may arise from the farmers' agitation also, the bench headed by Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. Actor Sonu Sood has been accused of illegally converting a residential building in Mumbai's upscale Juhu into a hotel by Mumbai's civic body BMC, which has also filed a police complaint. The actor had offered the same 6-story building for quarantine facilities for medical professionals at the beginning of the coronavirus lockdown last year. Following the complaint by the BMC or Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the police said they would investigate the case and take necessary steps. Sonu Sood is yet to comment on the allegation.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.